Aha, gotcha. Oh, I've seen that guy before. He must be getting used to me. Right. See, I wouldn't have saw you if you didn't move. Yeah. Ooh, that thing looks tough. I believe it is. Huh. Yeah, maybe not. That's the police. Yeah, this is Sunday, October 22. And on my way out this morning, I noticed the highway patrol was out giving out speeding tickets. That's the first time I've seen that in like 3-4 years. I think things are starting to go back to normal. But maybe not. That is a house finch. A bunch of them here. Oh, he's back. Maybe he saw me talking. If you filming him, he goes, "Hey, I want to be filmed some more." Nah, never mind. Probably not. Well, how cool a job is that, huh? Oh my God. Man, I wish I had that job. You fly around in your helicopter and get paid. Oh, I found Baird Central. We're all right here. Sounding happy. The beeper is a tennis shoe sparrow. He seems to be over there. Right in there. Over there somewhere. That is one clever little singer right there, I'm telling you what. Something going on. What's going on here? You got that guy there. I guess that's still the cop. Then we've got something coming over here. I don't see it. See what's the cop doing. Yeah, for sure that's a cop. Nobody else acts that way. They just kind of buzz back and forth. And Tennessee Sparrow's not going to do anything. Just going to sit there in the bushes and ignore me. Dang it. Yeah, this area is just full of these little guys. Little butterflies. Definitely having their heyday. Wow. I don't know, I'm impressed by it. I never really noticed such things before. So it's growing in pretty good here. I don't know if the city's ever going to come back ever again. And clear it out for me. Clear out my nature hiking trail for me. Come on, guys. It's all growing in. Yeah, but look at that. It's just really... Just using the ice plants going crazy. It's not a bird, is it? Huh. There's that little guy. I'd get a boat, but no place to put it. Oh, no place to put it. Okay, I'm going for a walk down here. I always start at the bird sanctuary and head on that way. It's such a perfect day for that, huh? So what's today? The 22nd of October, 2023. Right? Yeah. This is San Diego. All's peaceful. Peaceful here. The city's all intact. Nobody's bombed it. If you know what I mean. That's the city of San Diego there, I'm sure. That's downtown. Right there. Well, there is. Although I've never been there before, I think that's the college. College for the Claremont area. Not my college. It's the other college, because we have two colleges. You know, the big traditional college that cost $1 zillion and, you know, that type of college. Then we got City College, which doesn't cost $1 zillion, and yeah, I hear that's pretty cool. Okay, this is a first, so I have to film it. I don't want it, but I found a complete shell down here at Mission Bay for the first time in my entire life. I've never found a complete shell before. This is videotape documenting proof. I'm not going to keep it though. But look at that. Are you kidding me? I've been coming down here. My furthest back memory goes to 1971. And I've never, ever found a complete shell. Well, they all look like that. I found that one up in the sand. No way, no way. So should I put it back in the ocean? I don't think it's alive though. There's probably something dead in there. That's why I don't want to keep it. I don't know, I'm still making up my mind. There's no way. How the hell? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why there's never any shells there. Except just broken junk. So what do you think? Should I go swimming? Not here though. It's kind of creepy and gross. I'd rather go out where the waves are. You know, the water's been circulating. This water is like, yeah, you don't know. Okay, this is with the new camera. Okay, here goes the shell that I just collected. It made it. There it is in its natural habitat. No, I'm telling you, come down here to Mission Bay, San Diego, see if you can find a complete shell like that. Good luck. I'll be here for years. I was here for 50 years and never found one until now. It took me 50 years to find a complete shell. I know what you're thinking. Likely story, right? No, I really am that old. My furthest back memory goes back to when I was 6 years old, so make it 52 years. Freaking old. I don't know what happened, man. Just last year I was 19. Let's see the road. Yeah, I could do a lot of filming right here. There's nobody around. Whenever anybody gets near me, I'm like, turn it off. Is that a pay tour? Yeah, maybe not. Yeah, there's not too much action right now. I'm surprised. It's been hot this week. You'd think there'd be a lot of... Oh, wait, it's during the week, though. Everybody's at work. Usually this is filled with pleasure craft. Going all over the place. With the cops busting everybody. Lots of tickets. Good way to get bullied by the cops. Get a boat. They got all the same rules on boats as cars. Okay, well, here comes the lady. I gotta turn it off. That is not what I would want. I want a catamaran. Catamarans don't bounce around so much, you know? Yeah. It's a flock of sandpipers. I'm heading towards them. Hopefully I don't scare them. Let's see what happens. I'll probably fly away. Like, we don't know weirdo people. I don't know, maybe not. Who knows? Go here and find out. I'm by myself over here. Is there somebody feeding them or something? Wait, there has to be somebody. Hold it as still as I can. Today Halloween or something? 22nd? No, not yet. Well, there's actually like a Halloween party in it up. Oh, we got little babies too. Look at that. So I thought. They look tired out. They've been sandpipering it up. Okay, that's where I turn off. That's the mountain next to Mount Helix. I was going to say, is that Mount Helix? No, that's the mountain next to it. The big one. Over by Terrasana. Then you've got that thing. That was over there. Oops. That's pretty cool. Oh, guess I'm I guess it's paddleboard. What do you call that, huh? Here comes that one. Oh, that looks badass, huh? Oh, that's where the music's coming from, is that thing. Well, he likes attention. He's got it now. You've got to share the music. Ah, it gives me something to film, huh? Wish I had the little birdies. Well. Oh, Tony, if you're watching this, I forgot to show you that they put a fence up over the dirt and locked it. Permanently locked out of the dirt. Yeah. I'm walking back there anyways. Maybe I'll see I'll film it. Yeah. Not that you've been there in what? How long have you been out of the United States? Like 23 years now? Like, yeah, so I don't care. Man, I had to hold still for that one. Dang. Okay, well, I'm headed back. I was thinking, you know, I haven't done it in a few years. I think 2007 or something. Taking my bicycle. Here because I know this trail goes to a really neat spot, neat area that has like just like a real cool little beach area. So maybe I'll do that tomorrow. What the heck? I can't get it. Well, I got the sun in my eyes. I guess that's why I can't focus. There's a tall tree. Oh, I can't get it. Oh well. They see it. Come on, guys. Hey, walk this way. Then they take off. Come on, guys. Man, there's a lot of them over there, dude. Yeah. Are they on the other side? Where'd the pigeons go? Oh, they're waddling over here, but then they get nervous and then fly away. Oops. So they're headed this way. They're acting nervous for some reason. You guys nervous, huh? Don't you recognize us? We're the guys that feed you. Yeah. Yeah, they're all hungry. They just... Look at the pigeons. I know they're hungry. They're always hungry. You guys hungry, huh? Yeah. you guys are going to come over here. Well, it's a good day for a workout. It's so nice and cool. Should go for a jog, huh? Oh, this thing doesn't. This thing even running? Oh, it's been going for 5 minutes. Okay. You think the pigeons would want to come in? They're just kind of floating around. Too fast. Yeah.
There's a bird with a little squeaky voice. A little tiny bird.
Hey, Tweets. He wants somebody's too scared. They're all too scared. What happened? Hey guys, why don't you come here and get some food? Where are you going? They're like, we're not hungry. We gotta fly around and get some exercise first. Oh, you guys are hungry, huh? Okay. Like, oh, that's what we want, yeah. Hi guys. You guys are silly. What's this? No? Okay. Wow. They're just there and then they're gone. All at once. I wonder if somebody's trying to catch them for food.
I hope you get a picture of them when they take zooming in there.
Oh yeah, I've been filming the whole time.
I'm going to do it again. Can we zoom in there?
Yeah, they might come back. Ah, too many trees. Dang it. Look at that thing. Quite the plane. Here comes the geese. They haven't had theirs yet. Huh, guys? You go, bread masters of the bread. Is it gonna rain too much? Oh, it's raining too much. I'm gonna put the camera away. Yeah, don't wait for the rain to go by. You guys ate both bags. They're a bunch of hungry birdies, huh? Hi guys, yeah. Did you get it all? Yeah? That's all I got, guys. Yeah. You eat it all? All that left are the big geese. You guys too lazy to flop around?
Oh,
Look at that.
we will where to eat.
We're nothing but geese here now. All your friends left you. Well, they look healthier without all that heat. The heat made them look like they're all unhealthy and miserable. Last time we were here it was like 90.
That guy next to you.
Huh? No, I'm out. Sorry.
It took the Canadian geese all this time to get up here. You notice they weren't here in the beginning. It was just the ducks.
Oh, they got quite a bit. So they're pretty full. That's why they're not running around. They're like all stuffed. Got you all stuffed and lazy, huh? Oh, guys. Yeah. Well, I guess that's it. I don't think we have any more bread.
I think I'd clean out my house if I had all these birds standing around me. Keeping all out
So you guys gonna fly south for the winter? Oh no, we are south. What are you talking about?
oh, here come the cuties. They always told you they would go eat, but it was not
Well, we're all out, guys. Sorry. You guys eat a lot. That was 2 big, huge bags. Took us months to save all that. Yeah. Let you guys eat all that quick. Okay, well, we'll see you next time we got a big pile. How about that, huh, guys? See you next time. Yeah. Yeah, you geese are dumb, huh? You know not to go flopping around so much, huh? Yeah. These guys are nervous nillies for some reason. I'll see if I got more, but I don't think I do. I don't think I do, guys.